आता येरादारी सुरळीत करपाक प्रत्यक्षात ट्रॅफिक पुलिशेची तशी गरज ना। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स वापरून आपशीत ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल स्मार्टली येरादारी व्यवस्थापन करतले अशी माहिती मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान दिला। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स म्हटल्यार नेमके कितें हाचेर मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान अधिक माहिती दिल्या।
What is artificial intelligence? Basically, this signal will monitor the traffic which is flowing on all sides and adapt to the traffic over a period of time. So you do not have require human intervention to put it for 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. It will detect the traffic at every time of location, and based on the traffic coming from all location, the signal will automatically read it and give the signal as and when required. Today also, when we launch this signal, it will also tell us that there is no traffic and it will just give the yellow, orange light so that the traffic signal stops. This artificial intelligence signal is going to interact with all other signals and give the traffic management plan for the state of Goa. Today on the dais, with this we hope that Goa will go into a different level and the channeling will happen automatically. We have this system where the government is not spending 1 rupee, but this is just a trial basis where 100% PPP funded, where the system will function, will be maintained by the project proponent, will be also whatever inputs have to be given to the artificial intelligence will also be integrated into a system. So I am sure with this latest thing, we are one of the states other than the smart city states in the country who are launching this, which is one of the first states. Other states, wherever the smart city has come into effect, have launched these signals. But other than smart city, this is one of the first states to launch this stage.